Welcome to the magical rainforest. As the sun dips below the trees, the forest animals begin to settle in for the night. Shall we see who's still awake? Hello, dear. She spent her day gracefully walking among the ferns and, as night approaches, finds a cozy spot to rest. Can you wiggle your fingers like the spots on the deer and say, "Good night, dear"? Hello, lemur. He's been bouncing around, playing with friends, and is feeling sleepy. He finds a comfy place in a tree, ready to close his eyes. Wave to the lemur and say, "Good night, lemur." Hello, leopard. She's been prowling the forest floor all day, and as the sun begins to set, she stretches out her tired legs on a tree branch. Can you blow a kiss to the leopard and say, "Good night, leopard." Hello, monkey. He's been swinging through the trees and playing tricks on his friends, but now he's giving a big yawn and finds his favorite tree to settle in. Give yourself a big monkey hug and say, "Good night, monkey." Hello, panther. She's quietly roamed the rainforest, each step silent as a whisper. Now she curls up in a hidden nook, tucking her paws beneath her. Can you rub your eyes sleepily and say, "Good night, panther"? Hello, parrot. His bright colors and lively squawks filled the day, but now he's getting sleepy. He snuggles onto a branch and closes his eyes, sway side to side like the parrot and say, "Good night, parrot." Hello, red panda. She spent her day munching on tasty leaves, and now she's feeling full and sleepy, curling up into a cozy ball. Snuggle your teddy and say, "Good night, red panda." Hello, sloth. He's been observing all the rainforest action from his perch. Now it's time for him to gently close his eyes. Blink slowly, just like the sloth, and whisper, "Good night, sloth." Hello, snake. She's been slithering along the rainforest floor and is now ready for bed. She coils up in a small circle, preparing to rest. Can you make a soft hissing sound and say, "Good night, snake"? As the rainforest whispers to life under the sparkling night sky, each animal settles down to sleep. You did a wonderful job helping everyone to bed. Now it's your turn. Rest your head, close your eyes, and dream of all your rainforest adventures. Good night, little one. Good night, rainforest.